Hi, my name is Mr.Donkov, and in this video I will make a short review of Hofer, or in German Aldi, vacuum cleaner robot. I bought it in Hofer store and have it about for 6 months now, so I guess I can give a fair review. This is the box and contents of it, some instructions, the robot, the docking station, the cleaning tools, and 2 brushes that go under the robot and the charger. This robot was very cheap. It was about 110 euros in mid-2015, and it is my first robot. I can say that I'm very satisfied with what I got for this kind of money. So before I start cleaning, I had to do a couple of things. I had to put a tape on this rug, because if I didn't do that, it could get messed up here. Also, I had to remove the cables. I had to do a couple of things. Then you must remove things like this. It can get in its way. Then I have to move this rug, because it can get stuck here as well. Just move it a bit. So I have removed the rug, and the next thing I must do, here is a corner. It is slightly expressed, and I will close the door because it can get stuck here as well. Then there's another thing. Here is a door blocker, and it also gets stuck here. So what I do, I just put a shoe like that, and so it will bounce off the shoe, and it will not get over this to get blocked. Now I think we are ready, and I will start this machine. I just press clean, and it will go on automatic cleaning. Robot is not very loud. However, it can get a bit distracting if you're doing some work at home or relaxing. The best use I found for it is I just turn it on when I go from home. So when I come back, everything is cleaned up, and it really does clean very well in my opinion. It also goes under the bed and under the sofa, and places like that can attract a lot of dusts. It also works on rugs, but as I've shown you need to fix them on the floor, or else the robot will get stuck. Now here is the 5 times the speed of the recording, so you can see the patterns of cleaning. The robot does seem to go all over without any special plan, but in 1 hour and a half of its cleaning, it usually manages to clean everything, usually. My place is the size of 36 square meters, which I think is just enough for this robot, even if a place would be a bit bigger. There is one problem with this robot, and that is that it's not very smart at all. It works just kind of randomly. It can go to one place and over, while it can totally forget to clean some other places. And when the cleaning is finished, the good thing is that it goes back to the charging station all by itself. It finds it somehow. The robot is clumsy, but it still manages to find it. So before the final scene, before the results of cleaning, I would like to say thank you for watching. Please like the video if you like it, and subscribe for new videos that I will be making. Thank you. Now robot has just cleaned the room, and this is the result of such cleaning. So let me open this. This is the first filter. look how much, and this is from just 1 week. And here's some larger stuff. This is from just 1 week. It cleans very good. And the other filter is this HEPA filter, which also gets a lot of dust, and yeah, I need to clean this too.